Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Shatakshi. I hope you guys like it here, and I'm back with yet another video, and this video is going to be my sugar box unboxing for the month of February. By the way, did you know that we already reached 3,000 subscribers? So I have not announced it in any of my videos yet. I have been putting a lot of updates on my Instagram. I'm not quite sure if you guys are following me there or not. If you're not, please follow me there. It is Shatakshi Vashisht official. I'll write it here if you cannot spell out my name. So my Instagram, I have been announcing a lot of giveaways. So since we guys reached 3,000 subscribers, can you guys believe that we are a family of 3,000 unicorns, and each and every one of you made it possible. And just in order to thank you guys, I'm going to host a huge giveaway. I've already announced the winner for the last giveaway for the sugar box for the month of January, I guess. So the winner for that is Deepika. Congratulations, Deepika. Please reach out to me with your address and I'll get back to you. With respect to our 3,000 subscribers, I am going to host another huge giveaway, and this time not one but 3 special lucky unicorns are gonna win something or the other. So I will do a detailed video on what I'm gonna gift and everything regarding that, so stay tuned for that as well. And as you know, the sugar box always comes a month late, so this particular theme is Happy New Year, New Me. So that is what it says on the top of the box. Let's get into the box. The first thing that I see right away is this clutch. So this is what the clutch looks like. It is a neutral dusty pink color. It has a zip on the back of it. Works fine. Has a small chamber for all of your coins. Then there is a flower kind of buckle here. And if you twist it, then it basically opens up. Inside you have 2 compartments where you can see the foam, memory foam, and there is a zipper compartment in between, and also there is another compartment on the flap of it. So overall we receive 1, 2, 3, 4, and the back of it 5 compartments for storage, and you can simply kind of fill in, and that is the first product. The second thing that I see inside is this, and I have no idea what this is. Alright, so it is a purple color shrug. So I know it is looking a little bluish on the camera, but it is a purple shrug. It has 3-4 length sleeves, and the cloth is very summer appropriate, and the length is also quite long enough. So that is the second product. The third thing that I see inside is so freaking cute, and okay, give me a minute here. So this is how to be a cat, and if I'm not wrong, this is a hot water bottle, and it has a cute cat face on top of it. So I think this is a Japanese or Korean brand or something like that, because the instructions are in some other language that I don't really know of. So I'm not really going to open it because it's kind of sealed. But if you see the cap of it, I hope you can see little bunny or cat ears or bunny ears, if you can see it here. And that is the third thing. The fourth thing that I see inside is a foot soak. So this is decent handcrafted body luxurious foot soak, and this is in the flavor orange and lime. This one retails for 250 rupees, and it has 100 gram of product. To use it, you have to add 1 spoon of foot soak to a bucket of warm water and soak feet till water is cold. Once the water is cold, scrub your soles to remove any dead skin. So that is the next product. So we are through with 4 products as of now. The 5th product that I see inside is this, and looks like it's something very cute. Open it up. So these are wine socks. Oh my god, these are so fluffy, so fluffy, so soft socks. Oh my god, it says bring me some wine if you can read this. I know it is written in black and the color is a little dark. It should have been light colored socks and it would have made perfect sense. So this is supposed to be on the sole. So bring me a little wine if you can read this. That is the next thing that I can see. We also received some premium rolled wafer, which is it's completely broken for me. And last but not the least product is this, and I think I saw some sneak toothpick anywhere, and it is a LED light box. So basically what it is like it is a white colored box which has lights in it, and you receive couple of alphabets that you can put on top of it. So I was really excited for this because I wanted to put it in my background. If you can see, there is a freedom written there. I wanted to add some more cute things, and I was not quite sure how to decorate around my background, but this looks like the perfect idea. And let's open this. This is what the light box looks like. It has 3 rows for like if you want to add like any quotes, and then there are 2 I'm not sure if you can see that. Then there are 2 hook holes. If you want, you can also hang it on top of it. It is battery operated, so it needs 4 AA batteries, if you can see there. You simply just close that. So I don't really have AA batteries lying around, otherwise I would have showed it to you. And then we also receive a lot of letters. So all of the letters are in this. Okay, so this is how all of the alphabets are. So you receive 2 of each alphabets, and you have received 2 of each like numbers, and you do have a couple of special characters like this, @ and then you have exclamation, you have $sign, then you have a snowman, a little Christmas tree, fireplace, and a lot of cute things. So that is it, you guys. That is everything that we received in this month's sugar box. To be honest, I love this one the most. So this one was the Paisa Vasool product for me in this month. This one was also cute, but like it's not really visible. Now nobody can read it, so it didn't really work. After this, I really love this one because we all know, right? Periods and the pain. So you do need a hot little water bottle that you can keep on your stomach to ease you from the life-sucking pain. And that is it, you guys. Please comment down below with what was your favorite product, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, keep smiling, and I love you guys.